Hi, it's Zach here to bring you today's deal on the Jump Starter Kit by AutoSmith. Now this is one of those items I hope you never have to use, but if you come across one of those emergency situations where your car breaks down for a dead battery, you're gonna wanna have this around. It is awesome. It allows you to jump start your car's battery without the need of another car. So you don't have to flag down some stranger or call up a friend and wait for him to come. You have everything you need right here in this kit. Now you actually have two different options for recharging the battery in your car. You can give it a jump start with the included cables. Now you plug these right into the unit and then you clamp these down like you would on a normal jump charge and you give it a direct boost and you're ready to go. Now, let's say it's snowing or raining outside or you don't feel like getting out of your car, you can actually do this right from inside your car. It also comes with a DC Trickle charger. Now you plug this into your car's DC socket and you just let it run. Now it's gonna take about 15 to 20 minutes to do it, but like I said, you don't even have to get out of your car, and it takes about as long as it would to call help and get them to come over there to help jump it. Now the nice thing is that both options are foolproof. The DC adapter actually comes with a little meter that tells you when you have enough juice to start your vehicle, and the jumper cables actually come with a little alert system that gives you a flashing red light and a beeping noise if you mix up the black and red cables. They also threw in a DC USB adapter as well as an AC USB adapter. So you can use these to charge up all of your mobile devices no matter where you are. Now I like to keep them in the included case. In case I'm on a trip somewhere and I forget to bring my adapter, I have them right there in the car with me. Now on the unit itself, you actually have an emergency LED flashlight as well as an LED power indicator, which is really nice because this is for emergency purposes. You're gonna wanna check that indicator every once in a while to make sure you have enough juice in here for when you need it. Now, you might not actually want to just use this for emergencies. It's also just an 8,000 mAh battery backup that you can use to power up your mobile devices if they start running low and you're on the go. Now, this does come in a variety of different colors and there is no color choice available. However, that allows us to bring our price way down. We have a fantastic deal on this and you're going to save a lot more if you buy more than one, and these make great gifts for anybody who has a car. So head on over to the site and grab one or two of these today.